Hello, little learners! Welcome back! Today we're learning letter F. This is the letter F. Capital F. Small f. Letter F. F. Say it with me.
F.
Letter F says f, f. Repeat after me. F, f. Fantastic! Let's write letter F. Down, across. Great! Now let's write small f. Down, across. Fantastic! Let's learn a word with letter F. Fish. Again, fish. Great job! Fox. F, fox. One more time. F, fox. Fan. F, fan. Again. F, fan. Frog. F, frog. Again. F, frog. Wonderful! Let's play! What is this? Fish. F, fish.
What is this? Fox. What is this? What letter did we learn today? Excellent!
Great job! You learned letter F. Let's say our words. See you in the next alphabet adventure. Bye!